All right, so the agenda for today, welcome to Kimstead Farm, is we are going to give you a tour of the farm, of the barns, as well as the gardens where the crops are. Yeah. So I'm very excited that you guys are here today. So some of the things we do here are we do a CS. We also had rhubarb last week, which means what?
You know, cheese, milk.
We milk them. So that's what we got. All right? But that's this week. Next week, it's going to be different. Why?
Mickey?
Demetrius.
I know.
Minnie Mouse, Mickey.
No, we don't.
Look at all the
Grandma has
lettuce.
those in her garden.
Yeah?
Oh my God, those are good.
Aren't they? Who wants some peas?
They're sweet too.
Yeah, they are.
How long have you been working, had this farm?
We bought it in 2011,
Oh wow.
so 7 years.
Thank you.
And prior to that, then you only take 1 or 2 per plant.
But it will taste really good.
All right?
There's stuff in it, of course, and then we have to wash it off.
Yeah, we're gonna.
What is it, Layla?
Chives. Good.
Chives.
I am busy making a kale salad. I'm stirring my...
Grilling up some hot dogs.
Yeah?